Sentence number 951. Aman lives with me. 952. Blood oozes from the wound. Sentence number 953. They people do not live with me. 954. My uncle doesn't meet me. 955. Does Ram go for a walk daily? 956. Do they go to school daily? 957. Does she dance on the stage? 958. Why does Aman live with you? 959. Since when do they children live with you? 960. Until when do we play together? 961. Why does Pankaj not study with you? 962. Which game do you not play? 963. Why does mom not scold him? 964. My heart is looking for you. 965. People are making fun of him. 966. He is not going anywhere. 967. I am not studying today. 968. People are not talking to him. 969. Is he going for a walk? Sentence number 970. Are people dancing on the stage? 971. Where are those children playing with you? 972. Why is Aman not talking? 973. Why is he not going to school? 974. Suman has gone to school. 975. I have done the work. I have done the work. 976. We have seen you. 977. I have given him a book. 978. Those children have taken money from me. 979. That girl has purchased a scooty. 980. We have not seen you. We have not seen you. 981. I haven't given him any book. 982. He has not taken the money. 983. Why has Aman taken the book? 984. Has Ram gone for a walk? 985. Where have they both gone? 986. What have I done? What have I done? 987. Have you not cooked the food today? 988. Why has Aman not purchased the book yet? 989. I have been studying since morning. 990. He has been trying since Monday. 991. I have been studying for 2 hours. 992. He has been trying for many days. 993. Ram has been walking for 2 hours. 994. He has been studying since 4 o'clock. 995. I have been singing songs since morning. 996. He has been fighting with me since yesterday evening. 997. Children have been watching this serial for many days. 998. Ram has not been walking for 2 hours. 999. He has not been studying since 4 o'clock. And number 1000. I have not been singing songs since morning.